Right, so what have I been doing today? Well, I had to take the pesky back block off because it's starting to rust over, and that flange joint is so rusty I had to cut it off from here. And there she is. She weighs a bloody ton. But I've taken the black widow exhaust pipes and I've installed them in the place of the muffler. The metal custom bracket, and she's solid. I just need to tighten this one up to go. There we go. Right. There you have it. Let's start her up.